Alright, so Lamborghini Urus, right? Alright, so we got this new Lamborghini Urus behind me. It's in that bright yellow color. We're gonna do some subtle mods on it, not too anything crazy so far. A lot of stuff is coming on the way for the Urus. They already got exhaust system, downpipes, tunes. We might be doing some of that stuff on this one, but for now we have the rear bumper diffuser exposed. We're gonna be painting that black. For some reason this car comes with yellow, silver, black, just way too much going on, so we're just gonna black that whole thing out. We're gonna be doing black on the wheels, powder coating it. We're tinting it right now. A lot more to come on the Urus, so check it out.
We have this 77 450 SLC. You guys have seen this car before. We've literally replaced every single mechanical part on this car. This time it was in here for upholstery. As you guys can see, we did the whole dash. The old dash was cracked. So we got a brand new dash in here. This car is looking good interior, and it's ready to go. Nice. We have this BMW 750 Li. This car went metal to metal, front brakes and rear brakes. So we're going to replace them right now. We have quality parts. We're going to put on Zimmermans on this car. We'll probably wrap this car up in about an hour or so.
Get out the way or something?
Sorry, we're just trying to get the car.
You don't own the street, you know.
So this is a new client of ours. We got a phone call today. The front suspension is slammed, so he apparently blew the front air shocks on this car. We're going to go ahead and replace it today, wrap up this car and give it back to him and deliver it to him. So that's what we're doing right now. It's coming off the tow truck. Let's get started. So that's the air suspension trying to pump, but it's like,
So the air is just losing air. It is a common problem, right? Your language and my language are completely different. Diferente, eh?
This language barrier is not working.
Yeah. Just text me. Hey, you look good in that car, Moses. Hey, we should surprise him and get him one. No, I'm not gonna do that. This Audi R8 is done. This car was involved in an accident. It was rear-ended. The front was damaged. This Audi R8 was rear-ended. We wrapped the rear bumper, we wrapped the front bumper, we also wrapped the hood. So whatever we repaired, we re-wrapped for the customer. It's about to get detailed right now and ready to be delivered. Here we have a C-Class, it's done. We're actually polishing it and waxing it right now as we speak. It's detailed, the customer's here. We offer rent-a-car as well, so the customer's taking the rent-a-car back and coming back here to pick up his car. We replaced this quarter panel. We did the proper welding. We bought it from Beverly Hills Mercedes. We changed it. We also painted the door for color match and also blended the front left door for color match, as well as the fender. So the whole left side is brand new. Look at all that hair. Look at his arm.
Like in the morning or something, or in the early afternoon.
I'm gonna try to put it on his head so maybe I can cover some patches up.
Moses, that's awesome. Thank you, man. Monday.
Moses has patches, Moses, on your head.
Hey,
Let me see it. Turn. I'm gonna cover.
hey, that hurt really bad.
I know, but
I have a look. I have a bald spot on my arm.
Let me put this on the back of your head so it patches them up. Turn.
Will it work?
Yeah, it will. That one area is completely full and nice.
Really?
Yeah. Now I just need like 17 more. What I did was, I'm not gonna pull it, okay? So what I did was I went like this, right? So look at all this hair right here. So all this is gonna be missing now. 3. No, it's okay.
I'm already bald on this one.
Yeah. I want to do this so it matches.
No, it's not supposed to match.
Hey Moses, look at this.
What's up, man? How are you guys?
What's up? I apologize for all the trolling you guys get on the video.
How was everything?
Good. Show him your arm.
Oh my god.
Go like this. See that missing right there?
Oh man.
Dude, why do you let him do this to you?
Oh, he tried to put it on my head afterwards too.
Oh, not that type of party. All right, and then you can stand. Are you confused? Yeah. Where do you want to stand? He looks like a wet napkin. What? You don't like the music?
We're trying to work. You have Barney on?
Yes.
You're playing Barney.
This is message for the whole body shop. No fighting with Moises. You don't like the music?
No.
Why?
We're trying to work. You have Barney on. We don't want to listen to Barney. Back to work. We have a Rolls Royce here.
Sorry, Moises.
We have a Rolls Royce here. This car earlier came out of the tow truck. This car has 2 blown shocks. So we are going to get the 2 new shocks, original from Rolls Royce today, to go ahead and replace this and go ahead and take the car right back to the customer. We have this Lamborghini Urus here. This car was in here for a blackout. It is complete, and we're gonna release it to the customer. So, it is Saturday, busy day at Rdbla. We're on a test drive, and we actually have a very nice gift for today for our friend, our great neighbor friend Chris. And say hi, you guys. You don't even know what the gift is yet, but you're very happy. Well,
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you what the gift is in just a second, okay?
Yes.
So, you guys, we got him a Rolls Royce for Saturday to have fun.
Thank you very much. Moses, thank you very much. I'm so happy with this Rolls Royce.
So you know you always get the good treatment at Rdbla,
Thank
right?
you. Yes.
Rdbla.
Yes, Rdbla. Thank you.
Rdbla. Good job, Chris.
God
Well, have
bless.
fun with your car.
I'm so happy, and I will enjoy my driving. Thank you. Look at that Griffith Park, beautiful. Look at the trees in the sky.
What Griffith
Unbelievable. Griffith Park Hill. Griffith Park Hills.
Chris, we're not at Griffith Park. We're
Where?
on a regular street driving back to Rdbla. These are trees that you see.
But it look like Griffith Park. It's beautiful, man. And the hill, look at it.
It's not Griffith Park.